I-95 makes a great background for one of the best shots in winter, crows rising. And here they rise in slow motion. This flock flew by the next day when it was cloudy. It's into January, which means it's getting pretty close to hawk breeding season. I've been seeing them pretty close to the old nest site, so maybe they'll use it again this year. I got a few pictures on a sunny day, and then I got a few pictures on the cloudy day. It might be the same hawk, it might be the other member of the pair. It's beyond my ability to know. Here the hawk is sitting on one of its favorite perches right near the rainwater pool. And we'll take you out with what I consider to be a very classic Canada Goose V flying overhead.